Hey squad, it is the BK stylist, Jackie. Welcome to my dollhouse where real life dolls are created. So today I will be styling my niece who already has naturally beautiful hair, but she does want longer and fuller hair, of course, like we all do. So I will be adding two bundles of my Burmese body wave in a 22 and a 24 inch. I want it to be teen friendly, so I don't want her to look too grown, so I'm not going to make it too full. So I'm going to give her about 6 tracks. All right, so she's able to wear this in the middle part, side part, no part, nice sleek low ponytails or mid ponytails, super cute high ponytails. Oh, we love those. And twist it up and have cute, easy top knots. Like that. So while she playing her hair, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I drop a video. All right, so let's get started on this tutorial. I'm gonna part out about an inch or an inch and a half around the perimeter, and we're gonna ignore those horns because I'm not doing this over. All right, we're gonna section that out, a nice clean U. I like to work with clean parts because it helps alleviate breakage, and yeah, because you don't want to be snapping on anyone's hair. And yeah, when you're just working neat, your work just looks neater and it looks better overall. All right, so yeah, section that off, and your braid is going to be curved like so, because if you do it straight, when you flip it up, it's going to stick out on the side. So you want it to curve, so when it's flipped up, it'll lay super flat like the head. The head is curved, okay? So I'm going to use the rubber band technique. Excuse me, the regular black rubber band technique, and just wrap that around a few times, not too tight, but tight enough to hold it, but also loose enough to just slide it out when you're ready, okay? Yep. Make sure it's sturdy. Okay, so yes, I'm doing my braids really small because I don't want to feel anything, and yeah, I like it real sleek, but make sure it's not straight. It's on a slight slant. So yeah, you'll see exactly how I'm parting it. And I like to use a rat tail comb, and I use a rat tail comb with a metal tip because it gives you nice, clean, precise lines. And I use about this much. All right. So you see, my braids are really small, no lumps, no bumps. I'm allergic, and I have lipstick on my fingers, and yeah. So we just gonna repeat this process, um, braiding a braid on each side until meet in the middle, and take a rubber band and just kind of put it in a ponytail. And as soon as you're done with that, you're gonna take it and take the clip and flatten it to make sure it does not stick up later. You're training it from now, and this is what it's gonna look like. Okay, so now I'm getting closer to the top and closer to the hairline. The process is just, like I said, is a repetitive process. Making sure that the lines are clean and your parts are clean, your braids are small, and yeah, that's about it. I'm making sure that my braids are also strong, so I'm not trying to rush through it. I'm not trying to do it super fast and loose. I'm giving it a decent amount of twist to make sure that it has a nice strong hold. So again, I'm meeting it to the middle and just putting it in a ponytail, a gathering one. People call it different things, I don't know, but I just connected with a black rubber band. And again, you don't want to do it too tight. Her roots are a little red. I'm going to just put a disclaimer out because I know her roots look kind of red because her hair was red. She just dyed her hair black. It's like a dark brown, but her hair was previously red. So, yeah, she still has some roots left in there. Yep, you see it right there. Yep, those are red roots and not red scalp. So don't be over here judging me. Okay, so just to get out some pointers, I put in about 1 inch of hair in between each track. I like to braid it first because for me it's just a lot faster to just get the braids out the way and go back and add the tracks one by one. There's no rule of thumb when it comes to placing the tracks. I just go with the feel. Chances are the next time she comes, she's not going to have the tracks in the same exact spot. No one get the same exact pattern or the tracks in the same spot. Okay, we on the fun part. Let's add it here. So the first track, I did double it. I usually don't double, but yes, when we go over the rubber band part, we're going to act like it's not there and just sew over it just like it's not there. Bye, Felicia. Right past it. All right, so I'm just kind of locking it in. I cut it to the size that I need. And yeah, just cut it nice and clean. I'm adding the next track and I'm not doubling it. So I'm doing a single track and I still do 2 tracks, but I do 1 at a time because it's just a little flatter. And yeah, my OCD be getting the best of me. I don't want to feel anything. So I'm going right over that rubber band. Get a little closer so you can see. I stitch from over, under. It was kind of hard for me to get an angle where you can see really good, but I'm sure you guys know how to sew. You could do it the same way, whatever's comfortable for you, but I'm just showing you guys my way. I'm stumbling over my words. Okay. So when you get to the edge, you don't want to tug and pull. So I'm using my thumb to make sure that I'm not snatching or pulling on her edges. All right, so I'm going to fold that back, and this is how I'm going to double it. So I fold it back really flat so you don't feel anything. And yes, my hair comes with really small seamless wefts that, yeah. Ain't she cute? Yes. Okay, back to it. This is the last track. So like I was saying, the tracks are really small and seamless, so it doesn't leave like hard lumps and bumps, and it folds over really seamless and flat. All right, let's finish this up. And bam. Damn, Chyna. So this is all done. She straightened her hair earlier, so her natural pattern is wavy. So when she's wearing in this natural texture, it would look something like this. I love the natural pattern, but of course, she want to wear it straight, so I'm going to straighten it, but I had to play with it first and show her how it looks. She don't care, but it's cute, it's cute. But we're going to straighten it. She straightened it. She's in cosmetology school, so, you know, I let her play her part, and that's what it looked like. Okay, dolls, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Make sure you follow me everywhere. Jackie Dollhouse, I'll put that information below. And if you would like to book an appointment, I'll put that information there as well. See you on the next one. Ciao.